Welcome to more Zion Music, your friend hostess to Zion Vibes. Nangazimi. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this channel. Without wasting you guys' time, look, we are reacting to, I think it's two songs, right? Kuwe, and then the second one is Zazam's Kwekhanda. I understand. I haven't like listened to the song the way it is. All I did was fast forward from here to it. And I'm like, okay, cool. So I think the song is about 10 minutes max. Max, I think so. Without wasting you guys' time, as do me. Hey, Mr. D, come tell you. It's gonna be an ad. There's nothing I can do. Like genuinely, there's nothing I can do. I understand. So, you'll have to like kind of bear with me here. So let's do. It was titans on titans on titans. You had to know your business. You had to know your business, bruv. Tell you. gave me goosebumps, bro. I feel like I had like a lightning going down my spine, bro. Guys, look, do you know how insane it is to think about Zion's reign? I don't think people understand the time where Zion was at its peak. You see, right now, we're climbing the ladder, okay? But I'm telling you, at the peak of Zion, the album Isandla Somusa, still till to this day, it is still by far one of the best male voices choir of all time. Ever. Ever. The first and only. I can't. Well, there is a couple. Why am I lying? But like, you understand, Guti? Is there another one? I can't remember. Or was it the last one? I think it was the last one. Yeah, it was the last one because they haven't released anything since then as male voice. They haven't released anything since then. And I'm like, damn. I'm like, yo, we're still waiting for an album that could legit go toe to toe nesandla somusa. Khuluma ngama-male choir. Lokho kunyakunanda. I'm going with toe to toe. Song that we end up singing. You see, once ingoma yaqala culwa by different churches and it becomes a norm, you've won, my guy. You have. Zaki, nyakubona boy. Yeah, that was that was tough, bro. That was tough, bro. this frame alone, this hang on, this hang like, bruv, like, do you understand? Oh my goodness, bruv, you know, it's like Nascat being say memorial service. Yeah, but Nohashe. You know, from where I was standing, shoot, and I take this view. I'm like, damn, like some of the best voices I hear, bro. You understand? Like, I'm like, some of these people, I'm reacting to their music, to their churches, to their singing, to their everything. I'm genuinely standing there, and I'm trying to keep a straight face, bro. I'm trying not to smile because in my head, that little child in me is like, yeah, you understand? So, nje, le frame jongo bihamba from Lion, I'm like, bruh, look at all of this. Look at me. How bad it is over here, bruh. All you see is nothing but some of the best singers, bruh. Just Jay, by looking at this, like yo, bruv, like, hey, hey, hi guys, however, no Zion, telling you, man. Which was this lady? Which was this lady? Mom, stay. Mm. Oh, I was in there on that Sunday. I was well. I had to be elsewhere. I couldn't, even if I wanted to, I could not. But I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It was looking from videos from TikTok and everything. It it, it was amazing to see. I understand. It took it. I mean, from my side as well. It like it's still taking a minute for me to go and watch it. I understand. I feel like with him passing on, you know, and how his last few days were. I'm one of the few people that got hurt by it. I understand. I'm just one of those people. I think yabona sometimes kuba ne-empathy kakhulu. It sucks because uzola noma ubani ubuhlungu. You see something at immediately your heart falls. You be like, oh gosh, I hope we're right. I understand. So it's still taking a toll on me to watch his funeral service. I understand. I like Nisai bite it here and there. I understand. But the singing part, that's what I'm here for. I love that more than anything. So, yo, guys, all I'm gonna say is this: be yourself, do what you need to do, and just always be there. I understand. At the end of the day, it's konzunkunkulo yedwa, and I love what was happening. So, in a favorite word of me, Street Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios. Thank you.